स्ट्रेटजी फॉर जुडिशरी एग्ज़ाम 125 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं आपके प्री के, जिसमें 1/5 नेगेटिव मार्किंग होती है। 115 आपके लॉ के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, जिसमें CRPC, CPC, एविडेंस और IPC, हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट एंड और हिंदू लॉ और मुस्लिम लॉ के ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन होते हैं। एंड स्टेप यू हैव टू फॉलो इज़ दैट मेक अ पॉसिबल स्टडी रूटीन, लाइक 6 to 8 आवर्स भी आप देते हो तो इट्स लाइक मोर देन सफिशिएंट। फॉलो द अपडेटेड syllabus and paste that syllabus nearby your bed and have a look every morning and evening. Take a previous year question at least 5 years and write study material. It has to be very selected and entirely based on syllabus. While studying, make a short notes of the important points for exam time revision. And start solving previous year question and other model questions for pre as well as mains respectively. It will help you on right track as well as help to clear difficult concept. And then what you have to do is, in Bayer Act, focus more on may and shall. While reading Bayer Act, focus particularly on basis use of may and shall. Which area you have to focus more? Understand where to focus more. And what next is, go through landmark judgment. Before you appearing for a law exam, you must be clear of the landmark judgment or latest case laws of the last 2 or 3 years. आप जजमेंट, पुराने जजमेंट 2-3 साल के भी लेते हो ना, तो इट्स लाइक more than sufficient. Then what you have to do is, do not burden yourself with fat reference books or make synopsis of all the topics. Okay, don't read long answers for revision. What you have to do is make a synopsis of all the topics while reading, so that you have to go through any topic, you can revise it several times, or make bullet points like number 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, and so on. Or then what you have to do is use chart, diagram, and pictorial representation while preparing for judiciary exam. Make use of charts and diagram and graphs. Also, when you revise a chart multiple times, its image is imprinted in your brain. Or speak orally what you study. Be honest with yourself, like whatever you study, go in front of mirror and pronounce each word vocally, or do that every day, every single day. Speak what be studied, or if you something needs counting on your fingerprint, do that, or do that every day. That yes, I study this much today. And do not panic, and revision must be your priority. Revise every day, like every single day you have to revise each topic. And you fail only when you do not stop. Go back and pick up the fallen information and revise every day, every single day. और जुडिशरी टोटल 25 स्टेट्स में आपके जुडिशल सर्विसेज के एग्ज़ाम होते हैं, लाइक अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, बिहार, छत्तीसगढ़, गोवा, दिल्ली, हिमाचल प्रदेश, हरियाणा, जम्मू, झारखंड, कर्नाटका, केरल, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, मणिपुर, मिज़ोरम, उड़ीसा, पंजाब, राजस्थान, सिक्किम, तमिलनाडु, उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, वेस्ट बंगाल, etc. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.